first one is first module one will which I will be giving you about introduction. What is SAP? Why we are going for SAP? And what is ABAP? What is the purpose of ABAP? Okay, the purpose of ABAP is to integrate all the systems using coding language. Okay, so that introduction I will be giving on the day one class. After that, you will going for module 2. Module 2 is nothing but ABAP data dictionary. Okay, so let's take Amazon as an example. Okay, in Amazon, each and every day we have multiple purchases are happening. Okay, and the worldwide. Everyone is getting a unique purchase order number, unique ID, right? So how these are triggered and how these are stored and what is happening there? Let us consider Amazon is using SAP at the backend. So whenever you logged into with username and password, it will be stored into SAP HR table with your username and password. After that, you are buying some product, it will go for SAP tables. It will check for the product. For example, if you want to buy one laptop, for checking for the product. So this product ID will be stored in some of the tables. Okay. Once you click on that product, you will be adding to the cart and then adding the sales order will be generated, which means product got confirmed. You have to ready to pay the bill for that. Then sales order got generated. Then SD will comes into picture, and then FICO payment, and then delivery. All those things are happening via ABAP only. At the back end, for fetching the data from the table, we have ABAP coding select fields from table, which means select laptop from table into use for your reference, which means in internal table, which is to you. Okay. Likewise, backend ABAP program is triggering. So to run the business top to end without any manual activity, SAP will help us to run our business successfully. So ABAP dictionary is nothing but the tables, data dictionary tables in which all the details are stored there. Okay. So I will be showing you what are the tables we have. I will show some of the reference tables to you. Okay, so what are the tables available and how we are processing the data, all those things comes under data dictionary.